In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable SMB1 on Windows 10. Now before we dive in, let's talk a little about what SMB1 is. SMB or Server Message Block is a protocol for sharing files, printers and other resources on a network. While SMB1 is an older version, you might need it for compatibility with certain legacy systems. However, be cautious as it has some security vulnerabilities, so use it wisely. Let's get started. First, you'll want to press the Windows key on your keyboard. It's that key with the Windows logo, usually located at the bottom left corner. This will open the Start menu, where you can access various features and search for programs. Next, you're going to type Control Panel into the search box. Just start typing and you should see it pop up as a match. Once you see the Control Panel listed, click to open it. The Control Panel is your gateway to many critical system settings on your computer, so it's a good tool to become familiar with. Once you're inside the control panel, look for the option that says Programs and click on it. This is where you can manage your installed software and enable or disable various Windows features. Now, in the Program section, you should see an option that reads Turn Windows features on or off. Go ahead and click on this option. Opening this menu will allow you to control which built-in Windows features and protocols are activated on your system. Here comes the important part. In the list that appears, you'll need to find SMB 1.0 CIFS file sharing support. You might need to scroll a bit to find it, but take your time as it's crucial you check the correct feature. Once located, you'll want to expand this option to see the detailed settings beneath it. After expanding, there will be several checkboxes. Ensure you check the boxes next to SMB 1.0 CIFS file sharing support. This action will enable the SMB1 protocol. Remember, you might need this protocol for older devices or certain applications, but keep in mind it's only advisable to turn this on when absolutely necessary due to security reasons. Once those boxes are checked, the final step is to click on OK. Windows will then process your options and apply the changes. You may be prompted to restart your computer for these changes to take effect. If prompted, save any open work and proceed with restarting your system. And that's it. You've successfully enabled SMB1 on your Windows 10 computer. Remember, keeping your system's security in mind is crucial, so consider disabling SMB1 when it's not needed. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more useful tutorials and tech tips.